Hi, if you are interested in seeing how I achieved these cute boho braids, definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I have seen a lot of people use a gel to do this braid, and I personally don't want to use gel on my hair, especially when I'm going to do braids. I have a love-hate relationship with gel, so I am going to be using this gel and cream that I have here that I used in previous videos, and I will link them in the description box and the cards up above so that you can check them out after this video. So I have my hair sectioned off as you're seeing here, and I'm just going to wet the area a little bit, not too much, just to get it wet. Already put leave-in conditioner in my hair, so I am just going to go in with the gel and cream, and here is what I am dealing with right now. So I am dealing with this, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my hair just to get the braid sorted out. And I am just going to start plaiting, and as I have seen other persons do, I will take out 1 or 2 pieces of hair as I go along to get that look. So I will start my braid. And I think I'm gonna take out the part right here that I want to use. Not sure how it's gonna go, kind of scared, but we will go accordingly. Just taking out a small piece. So here is my braid, and here is the part that is out. So I'm just gonna really spritz this part with water, just a little bit to start the curl, and then I'm going to go in with my gel and cream just a little bit to really elongate the curl a little bit. Okay, so this is what we are working with, and I'm kind of scared as to how this is gonna turn out because I've never had my hair like this before. So first time for everything, I guess. So I will have this like this, and we will see how the others cooperate, because I am not liking how the curl is at the moment, but it may probably grow on me. So far so good. So I will continue the rest of my hair doing the same method. Right, so as you could have told, the gel and cream is not really working well on this spot right here, so I went in with the curling cream from African Pride, and since I know that that never fails me, I decided to do that, and it's working quite fine. So far I just don't understand why this piece up here is not curling. Hopefully it will curl and stay curly. Oh my word. But that is what I'm gonna do for the rest of the hair, and I will be back when the hair is all completed. I may switch straw gel, I'm not sure yet. I'll tell you when I come back. All right, so here is what this side is looking like so far. It's a different style for me. It's a different look for me because I've never done anything like this before. So I am actually like looking forward to seeing how it will dry and just seeing how it will look, because like I said before, I'm kind of scared, but so far so okay. And yes, so I will be back, like I said, with the finished product, and I will give my final thoughts of the style when I'm done. Alrighty guys, so I am finished, and honestly this is a cute style. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a cute style, something out of the ordinary that I would normally do, but this is definitely again something that I would do with the braids, but at the same time I wouldn't have gone to the extreme and done the hair that is out. So this is really cute to me. Tell me what you think of these results in the comment section down below. And yes, I am really glad that I was inspired by what I saw on my Instagram page, and if you are not following over there, definitely go ahead and follow me. And yes, this is the end of this video, and I just want to point out that I did in fact just use the gel and cream. I just found out that I had to use a little bit more, and I just had to get smaller sections instead of the, I guess, small sections that I was doing already. But yes, it's the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who wants a style, who wants some style inspiration but has no idea what to do. Hopefully this video will help them, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.